Every major leap in technology has been powered by one thing: better chips. From the microprocessors that put computers in our homes to the smartphones in our pockets. But today, a new class of chips is quietly rewriting the rules of innovation: AI chips. These tiny pieces of silicon are about to change how we work, how we live, and even how global power is distributed. In this video, we'll explore 5 ways AI chips will change the world, and why their impact goes far beyond tech. Right now, the demand for AI chips is exploding. Training large AI models requires thousands of specialized processors running for weeks. That's why companies like Nvidia, TSMC, and AMD are seeing record profits. But the story of AI chips isn't just about money, it's about who controls the future of technology. So let's break it down. First, AI chips are concentrating power, both economic and political. According to McKinsey, just a handful of companies are capturing most of the profit from this boom: Nvidia, TSMC, ASML, and Broadcom. If you're not one of these giants, it's getting harder to compete. This concentration isn't just financial, it's geopolitical. The United States has restricted exports of advanced chips to China, using Nvidia's most powerful processors as leverage. In other words, whoever controls access to AI chips controls who gets to play in the AI race. Second, AI isn't just consuming chips, it's helping to design them. Companies like Accenture and Infosys are already using AI to automate parts of the design process that used to take engineers years. Generative AI can suggest new layouts, predict potential failures, and even optimize chips for efficiency. In factories, AI systems are running predictive maintenance, spotting defects in real time, and adjusting production on the fly. This doesn't just make chips faster to develop, it makes them cheaper and more reliable. The chips of tomorrow will be designed and built with the help of AI itself. Third, AI chips themselves are becoming more adaptable. At IMEC, one of Europe's top semiconductor research centers, engineers are working on what they call supercells, reconfigurable chip architectures that can adjust to new AI models without waiting years for new hardware. This could be revolutionary. Today, GPUs are powerful, but they're locked into certain architectures. If algorithms change, the hardware has to catch up. Reconfigurable chips would flip that equation. Instead of hardware holding back AI, the chips could evolve alongside it, extending their lifespan and reducing costs. Fourth, AI chips are becoming tools of global power. Think tanks like the Klingendale Institute describe chips as the new oil. The supply chain is deeply interconnected. American companies dominate design, Dutch company ASML controls lithography, Taiwan's TSMC leads in manufacturing, and South Korea drives memory production. This interdependence makes the supply chain both powerful and fragile. Any disruption from trade wars to conflict in the Taiwan Strait could send shockwaves through the global economy. That's why governments are pouring billions into semiconductor independence. AI chips aren't just technology, they're national security assets. Finally, AI chips come with a hidden cost: sustainability. Training a single large AI model can emit as much carbon as hundreds of cars over their entire lifetimes. The Stanford AI Index reports that compute costs, energy use, and environmental impact are now some of the biggest bottlenecks in AI progress. The future of AI won't just depend on making chips more powerful, it will depend on making them greener. Companies are already experimenting with energy-efficient architectures, better cooling systems, and renewable power data centers. But if AI is going to scale to billions of users, solving the sustainability problem will be just as important as raw speed. So, there you have it. AI chips are concentrating power, designing themselves, becoming reconfigurable, shaping geopolitics, and raising big sustainability questions. These 5 forces aren't just technical trends, they're signs of how our future will be built, one chip at a time. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe, because this is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into the companies, the technologies, and the hidden forces shaping our world through AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.